you will get wet on this ride. This is Thunder Falls, located in Everland, South Korea. But we're not just going to show you the outside of the attraction. Here at Join Us for the Ride, we want you to get involved with the action. So join us in the boat with this POV tour.
Your feet get wet at the start. Oh, there's like a little twist around thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ready? Oh! Oh, we go backwards! Fun this! This is unexpected!
That was a gentle split.
Very unexpected.
Yeah, that was fun.
So I guess now is the... Oh, we turn back around. Into reverse gear. And drive. Okay, now for the big drop. Eventually, when we get there.
Whilst we're on the lift hill, why not click that like and subscribe button?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes. Alright.
Okay, ready?
I wonder if we're going to go backwards again.
No.
Doesn't look like it. Let's be backwards. Right, here we go. Oh, you get wet.
You don't?
I got wet. But if you sit on the left side, apparently you don't get wet. I did.
Very good. Very happy about that. That was nice. That was unexpected and very nice.